Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to take payment from a credit card in 2025. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just curious about the latest in payment tech, this guide will have you processing payments like a pro. In this fast-paced digital world, accepting credit cards isn't just convenient, it's essential for staying competitive. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to choose the right payment processor. In 2025, options like Stripe, Square, or PayPal have evolved with AI-driven security and seamless integration. Look for one that fits your business size and offers low fees. Once selected, set up your account by providing your business details and linking it to your bank. This step is crucial for smooth transactions. Next, equip yourself with the tools. For in-person payments, use a contactless card reader or a mobile app that supports NFC technology. Think tapping your phone for instant processing. If you're handling online sales, integrate a payment gateway into your website. Remember, in 2025, biometric verification like fingerprint or facial recognition is becoming standard to prevent fraud. Now, onto the actual process. When a customer presents their card, verify it by checking the expiration date and CVV for security. Swipe, insert, or tap the card on your device, then enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Always provide a receipt, digital or physical, to build trust. If you're dealing with international cards, ensure your processor handles currency conversion automatically. One key tip for 2025, stay vigilant against scams. Use encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect sensitive data. If an error occurs, like a declined card, politely ask for another payment method and troubleshoot later. Wrapping this up, mastering credit card payments can boost your business efficiency and customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you'll be ready for anything 2025 throws your way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.